Yo, what's going on? We are back literally the next day. I can't believe I'm uploading 2 videos in 2 days. Working on the LS. Not really doing a whole lot of work today. Literally, I'm just getting it back on the ground so I can see where the front bumper is going to sit fully aired out. I'll probably pull it out of the garage just so I can see the car again because it's literally been forever. And I haven't seen this rear bumper on the car like outside. I've only seen it in here, so it'd be nice to like really step back and get a look at the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just get the car back down on the ground and see where everything's at, and then hopefully in the next video we'll be welding the flares on. Right now I just got the front wheels on the car. I do not have the NRCAs or the RCAs in there. I have them completely without, just because when I put the RCAs in there, it throws the caster off like crazy, and I would like to get an accurate look as to how things are going to sit, because I can't adjust the caster right now. And then the NRCAs poke the wheel out just a little bit too far right now, so I can't mock the flares up on top of it. Might be a different story once they're welded on and I can roll that lip on the inside. But yeah, we're going to do it without for today, just so I can get a look at it, lay the car out, see where everything is, and then make plans for tomorrow. Let's get to it. Alright, well, as you can hear, the car's on. It's been like super dead, so I jump started. I thought I was going to have to leave it to charge the battery for a little while, and I just literally tried it right after I attached the jumper cables to it, and it started right away, so I didn't film it starting. But as you can hear, it's still extremely loud. I did pull all of the exhaust off that was hanging off before. But yeah, I'm gonna plug the air back in, let the tank build up some pressure, because I'm pretty sure it's probably got a leak in it. And then we'll get some air in the bags and drop this thing down to the ground. I'll probably take the bumpers off before, just because I don't want to air out on them if it's literally going to break them. Let's put as much air in this thing as we can. Had to put the stockies in the rear. Looks hilarious. Zip tied this just so it wouldn't completely fall off. I'm going to take the front off though. Pressure in the bags. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Not what I expected, quite honestly. I really thought that that was gonna like literally break on the ground. It's almost touch it, which is actually perfect. Because like a big concern was that if there was any pressure or weight on the front bumper, it's gonna break it. At least now, if it looks like it's on the ground and it's just like a millimeter off, that kind of protects it. I'm very excited by that. Cool, I'm gonna pull it outside. I want to see this thing. Hopefully the bumper doesn't fall off. Well, she's outside and on the ground. Looks extremely funky. No side skirts, no tail lights, the rear bumper's hanging off, no rear wheels. Let's just focus on the front though. It looks pretty fucking good. Yes, I'm gonna mock up the flares, see how it actually looks, but I'm very excited. What does it look like under the car? Oh wow, the subframe is not even on the ground. Oh, you can't see it at all. But that's not a bad thing. That means that the car's pretty much protected. And the ground's uneven here, so the front bumper's a little higher off the ground. But I think it did pretty good. Seeing this shit from a distance is making me so happy right now. Like just those wheels. Oh. Alright, we got the flares mocked up on there. For some reason this side seems to poke out a little bit further, so it wasn't really wanting to let me get this on there right, but the other side's sitting fine, and the fitment is exactly where I wanted it. That looks so weird with no side skirts. Well, I wish this was an accurate representation of how the rear bumper looks, but there's no tail lights right now because I sent them off to be retrofitted. So yeah, I don't really know how it looks. I know it looks sick, but it's kind of hard to tell with no lights. I am very happy with that. Especially this. That right there. Oh, that makes me happy. Feels weird. And those sounds are my sway bar end links, by the way. Nothing's loose. But I'm gonna try and see if I can hit full lock right now. Let's see. That's full lock. Oh, got some rubbing somewhere. We'll have to check and see what that is. So, as you can see, you know, you can fit a finger under it. I guess I'm not completely on the ground, whatever, give me shit, but I'm happy because that means that if I hit some bumps on the freeway, because this is air suspension and not static, it's gonna move. It means I am less likely to smack this into the ground and therefore protects it. So as long as it looks like it is completely on the ground and you can't see daylight, I'm happy. I would say it's, let's see, pretty difficult to see daylight under it. Like you can just see it there very slightly, but go up just a little bit, look, can't see it, so I'm happy with that. This is where my old low ride height was. So now I have to drive the car even lower. This would probably be my regular drive height now, and then I imagine down a little bit. Probably right there will be my like lower ride height. It's not. I don't know if I can get away with that, but let's see if it turns. It's hitting now, but turn a little bit. Might be better once I have a better tire on there. Not bad though. Still pretty fucking long. Sounds like a fucking truck. Well, there you have it, guys. It's back on the ground. It'll probably be back up on jack stands tomorrow. So hopefully we get around to welding. My buddy Eric, his friend welds stuff. He is supposedly going to help me out with this. So hopefully if he's not busy tomorrow or Sunday, he's going to come by and do this. I really hope. That would be awesome. But if not, it's not the end of the world. We're not in any rush, but it'd just be nice to get the content out to you guys, and then at least I can start working on the bodywork, which is going to take some time, and start figuring out what I'm going to do about the rear. It was nice to see this thing. I mean, it's nice to see it now, like on the ground. That looks so good up the front. I don't know about you, but that rear bumper doesn't look like it sits low enough. Maybe I'll extend it. Anyways, I'm going to end off the video. Again, I'm still looking for aim gain skirts so that I can trade for the Vleen skirts. If you guys didn't watch the last video, I explained what was going on. I found these skirts to match the rest of this kit. Go watch that video if you haven't. I kind of explained the story. I need some aim gain skirts so that I can trade and get these Vleens that were the match for this kit. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be back with another video pretty soon. These shirts are almost sold out. Most of the popular sizes are pretty much gone. These are larges right here. They're almost gone. Like, there's a couple of the Fitment ones left. Futura ones, there's a few more, but I'm discontinuing this design. It will be gone. So after these sell, that's it. This design isn't being used again. So go to the website right now. You can grab those. These are sticking around, but I don't know when I'm doing a reorder of them. But yeah, there's still some mediums and smalls left, but large and XLs, most popular sizes, are almost gone. 2X and 3X are completely gone. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Peace, guys.